L bend, the part inside the tank is L bend. First, this is inspection chamber. Inspection chamber. This is also a known safety box. Braided pipe, angle valve, packet of screws, instruction manual, and finally this chamber. Very important role of this chamber, and also explain in local language. Okay. Cement and all should not go inside the tank. This is the purpose of this, and also this required to while installing the upper plate. I'll show you now. This is the complete tank. Okay. Go ahead. Put the inspection chamber in that way. 4 screws are given. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fixed with the screw. Okay. Now anyone can have. This is L bend for safety purpose. During installation, remove, and this is for safety purpose also, but okay. Thermocol. If it is broken up, not an issue. Just remove that. You can also fix that. Grease is compulsory. That's it. Always. Now he understood कि always put some grease over the ring once you fixed any component, because it's a. That's it. The tank has been fixed. Okay. Now with the help of slurry and air, no need to cut the portion. Where's the black pipe? Note that black pipe is not there. Connecting pipe. Okay.
37104. Wait a minute.
Put inside that inspection chamber, screwed. Okay. And the finishing line, the most important for the plumbing point of view, the finishing line would be in between these two. 1 to 2 line, that's it. Finishing marble, always remember that. The quality person also, excuse me sir, also for instruction, that always recommend that 1 to 2 line should be always visible when finishing line.
टाइल करारा पास से make a line එකක් හෝ දෙකක් එළියට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. පේන විදියට තියෙන්න ඕනේ.
Clear? Finishing. Then same procedure like thermostat. We will have to cut that plate while installing that actuation, that upper plate. After cutting, just close. Remove this from tank. Remove this from tank and throw it. Clear? Now it's work. Plate will be installed. Again, Wait. Understood? Just cut this pipe after installation. Cut this inspection chamber surrounding and actuation plate. Now first I will explain this angle valve. This is a braided pipe. Angle valve will be carefully
stop valve.
it's a stop valve.
මොනවාරි repair එකක් තියෙනවා
Connection elbow with the help of
Awesome.
it will go inside. Okay. Then press. Do not use any spanner. Do not use hand tight. Only hand tight.
No need thread seal.
පැකින් එකක් තියෙනවා
Again.
that seal no need
No need thread seal. No?
No, nothing. Just hand. No need any seal. No need any kind of spanners. And this will be in this way. Let's put inside. Just see, left. This one.
Okay.
Without any spanner. Clear? Fix it. Fix it. It may be from upward direction.
direction එක වෙනස් වෙලා දෙන්නේ
Okay, this is the way.
I don't know.
ඔබ දාන්න යටින් දාලා බලන්න
Yes. Finally. Clean and connection.
Okay. Connect.
First do the connection and then plug. Clear? Clear? Now, installation procedure. Then it will go inside. After cutting of this inspection chamber, then purpose. This is the bracket. First install this spring in down. Okay? This spring in downward direction and in upward direction. Where it to be fixed? I'll show you. Once you cut that inspection chamber, once you cut 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, 4 screw, and it will fitted on this. Clear, sir? This is the final level.
මේ කැපුවට පස්සේ එතන පේනවා හෝල්ස් හතර.
Explain.
මේ කැපුවාම හෝල්ස් හතර වෙනම පේනවා. එතකොට අර මේකට එන අණ හතර කෙලින්ම මේ හෝල්ස් හතරට දාන්න පුළුවන්. මේ අණ වලින් ඒක ෆික්ස් වෙනවා.
Okay. After cutting this, fix this one. Okay.
Okay.
And hold.
අග්ගිසිරම තියලා කපන්න එපා. ප්ලේට් එක දාන්න බෑ. ඒක කැපුවොත් එහෙම ඊට පස්සේ. අර ඒකට තමයි කියන්නේ අර නූල් දෙකක් විතර තියලා කපන්න කියලා.
This will push inside and it will be fixed.
Okay.
Now, hold. This pipe, pneumatic, will go to that. It's a completely pneumatic. There is no any lever and any kind of connector is there. It works on the air pressure. It's a pneumatic. Let's explain about the pneumatic. There is no. They know that.
yes yes
Okay. Great.
ඒක රුලකින් තමයි අර බලන්නේ.
ආ.
කියන්නේ නියුමැටික් ඩ්‍රිල් එහෙම තියෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේ එකකින් තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ
Yes.
ප්‍රෙස් කරනකොට අර
So
රුලකින්
once-
තමයි උස්සලා දෙන්නේ.
It's also for both small flashing and big flashing. Only one pipe required. Just one pipe. Small.
ලීටර් 3යි
Okay.
ලීටර් 6යි එක
Clear?
connection එකකින්ම තමයි
Now
කරන්නේ.
also if you want to clean the cistern, I also show you how to clean the cistern. Just twist and first open the pipe.
Okay.
Open the pipe.
ලයින් එක ස්ටොප් වෑල් එකෙන් එතනින් නවත්තන්න පුළුවන්. නවත්තලා ඉවරලා රිපෙයාර් එකක් තියෙනවා නම්
Ah.
සිස්ටම් මෙකැනිසම් ඔක්කොම එතනින් තමයි ගන්න.
This is a discharge valve. Fix the discharge valve with the help of this pipe. Hold this. Now you can see. This is called pneumatic. This is the flushing system. Now you can clean the entire system. If any dirt particle will go inside and if leakage is there, just remove that discharge valve, and this is just locking system. Not required any spanner or any kind of screw. Remove that. Clean the tank with the help of your hand. Okay, clean, and after that remove this, twist. Okay, hold. This button will be in right direction. This button. This is for full flush, 9 liter and 6 liter. The function of this button is 9 liter and 6 liter.
පල්ලෙහාටම කරලා තිබුණා 9 ලීටර් යනවා. ඊට පස්සේ උඩට කරොත් 6 ලීටර්.
6 liter. Factory setting says 6 liter, and you can also adjust to 9 liter.
ඒක 6ක
Okay.
කියලා තියන්න කොයි වෙලේ.
For flushing, just it will go inside, inside, inside. Click. Okay. Now move around this. It's working. Okay. Now you remove and install.
බලවල ආයෙ කරනවා.
Remove and install.
ඉස්සලා පොඩි කැලේ කරනවා.
Pull it. Pull it. Just pull it. Yes. Removed.
ඩ්‍රයි දානවා.
Okay. Also, you can remove the internal part, that base. I'll show you. I'll give the entire training now. This. Sometimes water will blockage inside the base. You will have to remove this, and there is a small kind of, let's say you can. It's a square system. So just front. This one. Go inside. Okay. Slowly, slowly, base and press. That's it. Finished. Now I'm removing, and you can also install with your hand. Now install. Please install.
කොහොමද දෙනවා?
This should be straight. That. Straight will that
කෙලින් තියාගන්න.
straight. Okay. Do inside and press.
පුෂ් තව කරා.
Push.
හරි.
Okay.
Okay.
Now that one. The button in right direction.
හරි.
Don't worry. Straight, straight, and push. Straight. Exactly straight.
කෙලින් තියාගන්න.
Straight.
Okay.
Done. हो गया. Round and move. Move.
ඔන්න කරකවන්නපත්. එයාට මම හරි.
Now press air.
බලමු තිබුණා. Okay.
Good. Now, one more thing. Wait. This is for one leakage. Another leakage. This is filling valve, ball cock. Just remove. Open. Upward direction. Open. Up. Upward. Up. Yes. Remove. Okay. Now I'm explaining. Sometime dust particle will go inside the washer.
මේක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න.
So also you
මේකේ දැන් ඇවිල්ලා ලයින් එකේ වැලි කැට ඇවිල්ලා ඔයගලන්ට හැමතැනම සිස්ටම් වල වෙන දෙයක්.
small particle will
Like
go
here.
inside the washer. Just remove. Okay.
Okay.
First to supply close. Water supply close. And this is the clip. Remove. Okay. Remove this lever. Okay.
සමහරලාට දැන් කොයි වෙලේ WC එකේ වතුර යනවා ලීක් වෙනවා අපි හිතනවා
Leakage. There are two kind of leakage. One for base removed, and another for valve pump. Remove.
ඒතර අපි හිතන්නේ අරකේ ලීක් එකක් මොකක් හරි කියලා. ඒක නේ මේකේ වතුර එන එක නවතින්නේ නැහැ. non stop.
Open this nut. Okay. Inside there is a membrane washer. All dust particle will stop this place. Remove this carefully. Removed. And I'll also send some washer from India. Cleaned properly. With the help of water only. With the help of water. Cleaned. Okay. Water will cleaned. Now just see. To match this,
ඒකේ අර එතන හිලක් තියෙනවා ඒ හිලට යන්න ඕනේ කූර ඒ විදිහට set
okay,
කරනවා.
clear? This one will go to this cut. Okay? Do it again. Slowly. Hold this. What? This washer. Remove. Clean properly. Yes, clean. Now okay. Don't use any spanner. Only. Now fix. Good. That's it. Okay? And fix that pipe. That 1 minute. There are two kind of this, 1 and 2. Okay? Press and just with the help of your hand. Yes. Press. Good. This is the complete leakage system in maintenance. Now, give up the big hand for him. Good. Really.
ඔයගොල්ලන්ට
System
ආන්න
and
ප්‍රශ්නයක්
thermostat.
තියෙනවා. දැන් මේක ඔයගොල්ලෝ සිස්ටම් එක ඔක්කොම හයි කරලා ගලවන්න ගන්න ඔක්කොම දාන්න. දැන් මේක සිමෙන්ති වලින් වහන්නේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ? මේක කරගන්නත් ඕන නේද? මේකට
අර කැපුවට කමක් නැද්ද කියලා නක් අර
මේක කපා ගන්න ඕන.
මම කැපුවට කමක් නැද්ද?
It's practical, yes, done now. So, now you can do anything.
අතනින් ඇඩ්ජස්ට් කරගන්න පුළුවන්
If
නේද?
anyone,
අන්තිම වන්දන බහලා දෙන්න එච්චරයි.
for example, you are facing any problem, you can know
so
that
just
I need some assistance because some problems you are facing. I'll guide you over the phone. This part may be rectified. Put this way, this way. Also, we can share with you.
මේක වැරදි. අනිත් හරි. අනිත් මේක වැරදිනේ අපි මෙතෙන්